Look, listen, and repeat. Soccer. Soccer. My brother likes to play soccer with his friends in the park. Basketball. Basketball. Let's meet tomorrow and play basketball. Tennis. Tennis. I can't play tennis very well. Volleyball. Volleyball. Mark is the captain of the volleyball team. Baseball. Baseball. The baseball game was postponed due to heavy rain. Golf. Golf. My sister enjoys playing golf on weekends. Swimming. Swimming. Swimming isn't allowed here. Running. Running. Running helps me stay fit. Cycling. Cycling. I go cycling even if it rains. Gymnastics. Gymnastics. She practices gymnastics for several hours a day. Yoga. Yoga. Yoga helps me relax and improve my flexibility. Boxing. Boxing. Mary doesn't like boxing. Wrestling. Wrestling. My father likes to watch wrestling on TV. Table tennis. Table tennis. Let's have a game of table tennis. Rugby. Rugby. He enjoys watching rugby matches. Ice hockey. Ice hockey. He plays ice hockey for his school team. Skating. Skating. She is a master of skating. Skiing. Skiing. John will go skiing next weekend. Snowboarding. Snowboarding. Snowboarding is an exciting winter sport. Surfing. Surfing. I've never been surfing. Skateboarding. Skateboarding. Skateboarding is a popular street sport. Hiking. Hiking. We went hiking in the mountains. Rock climbing. Rock climbing. There's a lot of danger in rock climbing. Canoeing. Canoeing. He went canoeing on the river. Sailing. Sailing. I'm very good at sailing. Horse riding. Horse riding. One Sunday I went horse riding with a friend. Aerobics. Aerobics. Aerobics is a fun way to burn calories and stay in shape. Jumping rope. Jumping rope. Jumping rope is a great cardio exercise. Weightlifting. Weightlifting. Weightlifting builds strength and muscle mass. Stretching. Stretching. Stretching helps relieve muscle tension and promote relaxation. Scuba diving. Scuba diving. It is a popular scuba diving spot for advanced divers. Archery. Archery. He honed his archery skills through constant practice. Skydiving. Skydiving. She overcame her fear of heights and decided to try skydiving. Karate. Karate. She has a black belt in karate. Test yourself. What is this sport? Soccer, basketball, swimming, running. Soccer. What is this sport? Baseball. Which picture shows rugby? This one. What is this sport? Ice hockey. What is this sport? Snowboarding, hiking, sailing, horse riding. Sailing. Which picture shows jumping rope? This one. What is this sport? Rock climbing. What is this sport? Yoga, karate, archery, canoeing. Archery. Which picture shows wrestling? This one. What is this sport? Cycling.